wanted to drive the car.
She was driving! She was driving! What are you doing? Pulled out! He pulled out in front of us! He did! Oh, she says it's not very good, is it? No, it's not. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you good girl? Oh, good girl! Oh, she's a good girl. Hello, little baby. You can drive the car again. She says, no, I'm scared to drive the car. I love you. I love you too. Should I love you? She's a good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Little baby. Here I am. I know. What's the matter? Come here.
How long are you going to be getting ready, Megan?
Bye bye.